Your iCloud storage is full. Again. You're getting that annoying notification. But you're making these mistakes. Fix them, and you'll free up gigabytes instantly. Let me show you. First mistake. You're paying for iCloud storage. But your photos are still eating up your iPhone. You're wondering why. It's because you didn't turn on optimized storage. Here's what's happening. You turned on iCloud Photos, so all your photos upload to iCloud, but they're also staying on your iPhone, taking up space on both. That's not how it's supposed to work. Let me fix this. Open your settings. Tap your name at the top. Now tap iCloud. Tap on Photos. Right here, you'll see two options: download and keep originals, and optimize iPhone storage. Most people have download and keep originals selected. That means every single photo and video is stored in full resolution on your iPhone. Even though they're already in iCloud, you're using space twice. Change this to optimize iPhone storage. Make sure it's selected. What this does is simple. Your full resolution photos and videos stay in iCloud. Your iPhone just keeps small previews, lightweight versions. When you tap a photo to view it or share it, it downloads the full version, then uploads it back to iCloud to free up space again. Automatically. This alone can save you 20, 30, even 50 gigabytes on your iPhone, depending on how big your photo library is. So turn this on right now. Second mistake. You're backing up apps to iCloud that don't need it. Apps like Spotify, Netflix, Google Drive. These apps already save everything in their own cloud. Your playlists, your settings, your files. So when you back them up to iCloud, you're backing up the same thing twice. Wasting space. Let me show you how to fix this. Go back to Settings. Tap your name again. Tap iCloud. Now tap Manage Account Storage. Or it might say Manage Storage depending on your iOS version. Tap on Backups. Now tap on your iPhone. You'll see a list of every app that's being backed up to iCloud. Scroll through this list. Look for apps that already use cloud storage. Spotify? It already saves your playlists and settings in Spotify's cloud. Turn it off. Netflix? Your watch history and preferences are saved in Netflix's account. Turn it off. Google Drive? Your files are already in Google's cloud. Turn it off. Any app that already stores data in its own cloud doesn't need to be backed up here. You're just duplicating data. Go through this whole list. Turn off apps you don't need backed up. This can easily save you 2, 3, even 5 gigabytes instantly. Third mistake. Old device backups. You upgraded your iPhone 2 years ago. Maybe you had an old iPad you don't use anymore. Those backups are still sitting in iCloud, taking up gigabytes for no reason. Let me show you. You're already in the backup section from the last step. If not, go to Settings, your name, iCloud, Manage Storage, Backups. Look at this list. You'll see backups for every device signed into your iCloud account. Your current iPhone, maybe an old iPhone from 2022, an iPad you haven't touched in years. Each one of these backups can be 5, 10, even 20 gigabytes, and you don't need them anymore. Tap on any device you don't use. Let's say it's an old iPhone. Scroll all the way down. You'll see Delete Backup. Tap it. Confirm by tapping. Turn off and delete. Just like that. That backup is gone, and you just freed up gigabytes. Do this for every old device. Old iPhones, old iPads, devices you sold, devices you gave away. Get rid of all those backups. They're just wasting your iCloud storage. Fourth mistake. Recently deleted photos. You delete photos from your iPhone, but they're still taking up space because they sit in your recently deleted folder for 30 days. Still using your iCloud storage. Let me show you how to actually delete them. Open your Photos app. Tap on Albums at the bottom. Scroll all the way down to the Utilities section. Tap Recently Deleted. Look at this. All these photos and videos you deleted weeks ago. Still here. Still using your storage. If you're sure you don't need them, delete them now. Tap Select at the top right. Then tap the 3 dots at the bottom right. Tap Delete All. Now tap Delete from all devices. This confirms you want to permanently delete them from iCloud too. Not just your iPhone. Now they're actually gone, and you just freed up space instantly. Some people have gigabytes sitting in this folder, so check it. Delete it. Move on. 5th mistake, duplicate photos. Your iPhone creates duplicates automatically. When you edit a photo, it saves the original and the edited version. When you use burst mode, it keeps every single shot. When you screenshot something twice, both copies stay. Same photo, multiple times. Wasting gigabytes. But Apple makes this easy to fix. You're already in the Photos app. Go back to Albums. Scroll down to Utilities again. Right below Recently Deleted, you'll see Duplicates. Tap on it. Your iPhone automatically finds duplicate photos. Same image saved twice or even 3 times. You'll see them paired up here. For each duplicate, tap Merge. What this does is it keeps the best version, the highest quality one, and deletes the rest. You don't lose anything. You just free up space. Go through this whole list. Merge all the duplicates. This can easily save you 2, 3, even 5 gigabytes depending on how many duplicates you have. Super easy. Takes like 2 minutes. Last mistake. Messages syncing to iCloud. Every video, photo, and GIF you get in group chats is being stored in iCloud. Years of videos, all saved. Eating up gigabytes. You have 2 ways to fix this. Option 1. Turn off messages sync completely. Go to Settings. Tap your name. Tap iCloud. Scroll down and tap Show All. Now scroll through this list and find Messages. You'll see a toggle. If it's green, Messages is syncing to iCloud. Turn it off. Your messages will stay on your iPhone but won't use iCloud storage anymore. That's option 1. Simple. Fast. But if you want to keep messages syncing, there's option 2. Clean out old message attachments manually. Open your Messages app. Go into any conversation, especially group chats. They're the worst. Tap the contact name or group name at the top. Now tap Info. Scroll down. You'll see All Photos. Tap that. Look at all these photos and videos. Years of random stuff. Memes you don't need. Videos you'll never watch again. Tap Select. Start selecting photos and videos you don't need. Then tap Delete. Do this for your biggest group chats. This can clear up 10, 15, even 20 gigabytes. Seriously, Messages is one of the biggest iCloud storage hogs. Most people have no idea. So those are the 6 mistakes. Not using optimized storage. Backing up apps that already use cloud. Keeping old device backups. Not deleting recently deleted photos. Keeping duplicate photos. And syncing messages with all their media to iCloud. Fix these, and you'll free up gigabytes instantly. No need to pay for more storage. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips like this. I'll see you in the next one.